So welcome to this week's Feature Friday, BestCode Series 8 Continuous Inkjet. On location today in beautiful Massachusetts, down near Avon, just south of Boston. 40 degrees, so the temperature's climbing. First spring day, snow's disappearing, so it's we're heading there. So today I want to talk to you about ink replenishment and solvent usage on a continuous inkjet printer. Obviously, continuous inkjet, we use solvent-based inks for drying rapidly onto any substrate, glass, plastic, metal, etc. I've heard so many people talk about the ink replenishment of being a bottle that you pour in the top of the printer. So you get your bottle, you take the cap off, and you pour it in the top. That's dangerous, not safe, hazardous, spillages, splashes. So if you're hearing that, then yes, it is dangerous, but no, BestCode doesn't do that. So the majority of CIJs have cartridges. Those cartridges, you open up the front panel and they have a seal on the bottom of the cartridge that goes into a receptor or a septum. It opens up the valve or it punctures the seal in the cartridge, and the ink drains into the system. What we have is pretty much the same as that. The only difference is it's on the outside. So we have a bottle that has the seal underneath. We then take the cap off, we open this up, and then we turn the bottle upside down and puncture the seal, and it drains into the system. The only difference is we don't run with the cartridge in the system. We take it out when it's empty, we put the cap back on, and we dispose of the bottle. With the competitors' machines, they run with the cartridge inside the system. So if you hear of anybody that's talking about a BestCode where you're having to pour ink into the top of the printer, that's incorrect. We do not pour. It's safe, there's no splashes, the bottle empties in about 20 seconds, and everything is contained within this system. Now the next part is the solvent usage on a continuous inkjet. We have our solvent recovery system, which is capturing the fumes in the system and then condensing them or putting them back into liquid. So our makeup usage is around about 3 milliliters an hour, depending on the temperature and the environment, which is very competitive with the majority of inkjet systems. Some of the older systems, however, that you're using out there, I'm talking probably 7 to 10 years old, some of those systems don't have that capture device, that solvent capture, the fume capture device. So what happens is that if you smell the solvent around the printer, that's actually wasting solvent. It's just evaporating into the air. So you're actually using a lot. Some of those older systems are running anything up to 11 milliliters an hour. So they're just not cost effective to run. In fact, the money you're saving on solvent recovery nowadays is a big part of the return on investment for your printer. So this is Andy Fox from BestCode and another Feature Friday for the Series 8 printer. Hope you have a great weekend and enjoy the sun, and hopefully spring's on its way. So we'll see you next week. Take care.